Welcome to another video on plants. So far we have learned about roots, their function, their special functions and their structure, etc. etc. Now we are going to move to the next part of the plant, which is known as a leaf. And in this particular video we will learn two things about the leaf. The structure of the leaf, which is the different parts of the leaf, and the second thing we learn is the function or functions of a leaf. What are the different functions or roles performed by a leaf? Now here in this diagram given below under the arrow here is known as a simple leaf. Well, remember there is another type of a leaf which is called a compound leaf, which we will learn later, but this is a video where we will learn about a simple leaf, the different parts. So first thing first, where is a leaf found? A leaf is found attached to the stem or to the branch. So a leaf is found attached to the stem or the branch. The place where the leaf is attached to the stem, so you look at this particular place, the place where the leaf is attached to the branch is the node. So this is nothing but this place is the node. And at the node, what do we find? We find a long stick-like structure. So do you see this structure? So this structure is connecting the leaf to the stem. So the leaf is being connected to the stem by this green little stick-like structure, and this structure here is known as the petiole. So this structure here is the petiole. Now looking at the next structure, if you look closely, the connection between the stem, so here we have the stem or the branch, and if you look at the petiole here, you see the area between the petiole, which is here, and the stem, the area between these two structures has another structure, and that is called the bud. A simple leaf will always have a bud around it. Now let us look at one more structure. So there is always a bud present at the point where the petiole is connected to the stem or the branch. Just at the same point where the leaf is attached or the petiole is attached to the stem, there's another structure called stipule. And this stipule is here that I'm going to shade in red. Now the stipule is a small leaf-like structure. There may be one or two stipules, and every leaf has stipules. Now moving forward, in front of the petiole, so the petiole is here, in front of the petiole, what do we see? We see the surface of the leaf. So you see this area, this flat area, this flat surface of the leaf. Well, this flat surface of the leaf is known as the lamina, and here we have the lamina. Right, so this is part number 5. Lamina is the upper surface of the leaf or the lower surface of the leaf. So the surface of the leaf is known as the lamina. Now let's look at some other parts. The petiole enters into the leaf, and this is the entry point. So you see the central long pipe-like structure, tube-like structure. Well, the central long pipe-like structure is known as the midrib, and from the midrib arise a large number of branches. So can you see these branches here? So what are these branches? These branches are called veins, and this is our 7th part. So these are called veins. Let me just rub all of the mess in the center of the leaf, right? So here we have got the veins, and now coming to the last part, which is the 8th part, and which is called the margin. The border of the leaf, which I am now shading with red, this area here is known as the margin of the leaf. I hope the different parts of a simple leaf are clear to you. There are two very important parts that you must always pay attention to when you're looking at a leaf. Always look at this area and see that you should be able to find a bud, and you should be able to find one or two small leaf-like structures which are called stipules. With this, we have come to the end of the structure of a simple leaf. I will see you in the next video.